Good morning children. Today I am going to solve short type question for class 8 geography chapter 1st. In which two ways are resources classified based on availability? Explain with example. On the basis of availability, resources may be classified into following groups. First, renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly. They may be temporarily diminished with use but are renewed again by natural process or proper management, such as solar and wind energy. Now come to point second. Non-renewable resources are those which have a limited stock. Due the stock are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed, such as coal, petroleum and natural gas. Now come to question third. Explain three differences between potential and developed resources. Potential resources are those whose entire quantity may not be known. Developed resources are those whose quantity are known. Now come to question second point. Those are not being used at present but could be used in future. Those are being used at present. Third point. We have at present may not be advanced that could be used in future. We have the backup technology for them to be utilized. For example, uranium found in Ladakh that could be used in future. Example, the oil field in Assam are example of developed resources. Children, now come to question third. How would you classify resources based on distribution? Explain with example. On the basis of distribution, resources are classified into two groups. First, ubiquitous and the second is localized. Resources that are found everywhere like the air we breathe are ubiquitous. Localized resources that are found in particular place on the earth. Example, coal and petroleum. Children, now come to question fourth. Difference between biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic resources are substances obtained from living beings. They include vegetation, birds, domestic animals and wildlife. Whereas abiotic resources are non-living substances. They include air, water, land or soil, rocks and minerals in the earth crust. Now come to children question 5. It is very important question. Explain why some countries in the world have natural resources but they cannot utilize it. Some countries in the world have resources but they cannot use these resources. This is because they did not have the money to buy technology or infrastructure from which these resources would be used. In Ladakh, India, uranium is used to make atomic energy, but we don't have the technology to convert this uranium into a usable form. Have a nice day. The rest question will be completed on the next video.